thinking about it?
Take a step back. AI really came to consciousness, modern AI really came into consciousness about 12, 14 years ago when AlexNet came out and computer vision saw its big giant breakthrough. And that was like, I guess, 2012. Around that time, when you take a step back, what is computer vision? In its largest context is perception. You know, perceiving the world, whatever modality of information. It could be, of course, images, it could be sounds, it could be vibration, it could be temperature. And we've now developed AI models that understand the meaning of all of that information, and can be quite smart about it. So the first layer, the first wave of AI was perception AI. The second, what everybody started talking about maybe 5 years ago, was generative AI. Transformative, as impactful as electricity was before, and it's going to revolutionize every industry. So it's an industrial revolution.
So do you think it's a paradigm shift in modern computing, and that every factory that's building physical things in the real world will also be accompanied by an AI factory?
Yeah, perfect. Absolutely. Today, it's largely manually manipulated. In the future, it'll be autonomous or highly autonomous or semi-autonomous or assisted. And when it becomes autonomous, then it'll be software defined. And so you're going to have to produce those tokens, those software that feeds that tractor. And so in the future, every company that builds things will have a factory that builds the things that they sell,